never
Oh,
run
because you're
down.
on TikTok.
No, but even when I'm home, it doesn't run down like that. So why happen now? Because I said, yeah, I walk with some dopey spirits in the boy. Man, how we do this right now, Adam? Hi.
Which card is it?
It's your ticket, so yeah,
This one?
This one?
whichever one is yours.
No, they're both is. But do this one?
Okay. Now, first bed, let's see if we could get like a charging port thing.
Charging port? So that will be
What is over there? Oh, wheelchairs.
solar.
You think they might sell over there?
Yeah, we can try.
Are those ducks? I want to see the elephant. My favorite animal. Yes.
I like cheetah.
Elephant then dog. Cheetahs, no. I don't think they sell this in here. Excuse me, do you guys sell like power banks, like to charge phones?
Not here. If you're the store, there's a machine on inside in the left. It's on the left after the bridge.
After the bridge on the left?
As soon as you get in the door, think right in the wrong. It's a machine that you can be bought into.
Oh, you use, okay, thank you. No, my guys, why is my phone dying? Why is my phone dying like this? It just keeps running down. Like, what the hell?
But the heli auntie.
Oh,
The heli LeBron James.
they said the heat.
The heat, that's cap. That's fucking cap. Oh, you got on low power mode.
It's not see no. Ah, what's that? What you call it? From the. Oh, that tree's pretty. Let's ask them which rides we could go on, like a skip and for the charging port. Hi. Do you guys know where like the charging ports are where we could buy and recharge it back? They say when you come from after the bridges on your left. What do you think?
The fuel rods, I do know there might be some right to the left over there.
Okay.
The one that I use is right around on this side of this building.
That one is good? That one is better?
Yeah, that one's the one I typically use.
Okay,
right on the side.
do you know like what type of rides they have? We're looking for some fast.
Okay, our main one is gonna be Everest, that big mountain over there. That one is like a roller coaster type ride, which is really fun. There's another one that's really fun over there. It's our dinosaur ride.
Okay.
It's gonna be extinct pretty soon. So if you want to ride it while you're here, I highly recommend that because I think it's closing towards the end of the year. Yeah, but it's getting rethemed. So it's not fully changing, but it's not gonna be the dinosaurs anymore, sadly.
Okay, where is it?
Dinosaur ride in Everest, you can go, when you go around this shop, you'll get the fuel rod, and then you can keep going into Dino Land, and then you can even move right to Everest.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
I appreciate it. Bye-bye. Thank you. Oh, no, I gotta get a picture of this tree. He's like, well, you got it? Scaredy cat.
Nah.
You're not scared. Guys, look at that tree, y'all. So pretty. I can't zoom in.
Okay, zoom in.
No, is it right here? The charger? She said when we walked around on the left. Let's still go. No.
Is that, wait, no, that's not it. Where is it? Oh, not over here.
My picnic look beat out and tired like them. I don't want to pass it. Pass it. Let's
Around the corner.
Oh,
It's like a
okay.
little bit.
Thank you.
The dog
The man at chicken. Babes in chicken hyena. What you gonna do? Are you lifting weights? Oh, yo.
It should be right on the corner of the building here.
Right there?
Yeah, and there's one on the other building.
Uno más, ayúden, ven en la calle, papá, y aquí para el cuidado y que vivan las águilas, vamos arriba.
Hi. We're looking for the charge,
Yeah, for the phones?
yeah.
Yeah, absolutely. It's gonna be outside. Just follow around this in the corner.
Everywhere we go, they say it's in the corner. Where? They keep saying in the corner. Oh, right here. Oh my God, I'm hot in here. What you mean two? Put two?
No,
Who's gonna charge you?
Yeah, I don't need a charger. This only takes card.
Don't tell me that.
Wait. Please swipe your credit card.
What happened?
It should come out. Here. Maybe try the other way,